In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Jobber to QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll have a seamless link between the two, so your client information, invoices, and payments can move cleanly without double entry. Make sure you're signed in to QuickBooks Online with admin permissions, and have your Jobber login nearby, since you'll authenticate both sides during the setup. Start inside QuickBooks Online. At the very top of your screen, look for the search bar. Click into it and type My Integrations, then choose the matching result. This takes you to the area where your connected apps live and where you can add new ones. If you land on a page that shows your current apps, switch over to the Find Integrations tab. This tab is essentially the app catalog, curated to work with your QuickBooks subscription. In the Find Integrations tab, use the search field to type Jobber, then select it from the results. You'll be taken to Jobber's app page. Pause here for a moment to review what this connection does. You'll see details, benefits, and what data can be shared between Jobber and QuickBooks Online. It's a good place to confirm you're installing the official Jobber integration and that it's compatible with your plan and region. If you're new to Jobber, the overview will help you understand how scheduling, quotes, and invoicing can flow into your accounting. When you're ready, click Get App Now in the top right. This begins the connection and authentication process. Follow the prompts on your screen. You may be asked to choose the correct QuickBooks company file if you manage more than one, and you'll likely be prompted to sign in to your Jobber account. Grant the permissions requested so the two systems can share the data they need. The setup may guide you through basic choices, such as how customers, products, and invoices sync. If there are options, pick the ones that match your current workflow and naming conventions. Continue following the steps provided until you see confirmation that Jobber is connected to QuickBooks Online. If you're presented with initial sync settings, read them carefully and confirm before proceeding. A helpful tip is to start by syncing a small set of items or a recent invoice to make sure everything lands where you expect. After the connection is in place, you can always return to My Integrations to review the status or adjust settings as your process evolves. That's all there is to it. With Jobber connected to QuickBooks Online, you'll save time, reduce errors, and keep your field operations aligned with your books.